Welcome to AutoSpeed Vibes, your ultimate destination for car reviews that keep you ahead in the automotive world. Today, we're exploring the 2025 BYD Atto 3, a cutting-edge electric SUV designed to redefine the EV experience. Combining advanced technology, sleek aesthetics, and affordability, this vehicle is making a bold statement in the market. The BYD Atto 3 immediately captivates with its striking exterior design. Its aerodynamic shape, bold front grille, and futuristic LED headlights create a commanding presence. The sleek profile, paired with premium 19-inch alloy wheels, exudes a perfect blend of sophistication and sportiness. Its panoramic sunroof adds a luxurious touch, complementing its modern, stylish look that's crafted to turn heads on the road. Inside, the Atto 3 delivers an immersive driving experience with a meticulously crafted cabin. High-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and a spacious layout ensure maximum comfort. The centerpiece of the interior is the impressive 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen, equipped with an advanced infotainment system for seamless navigation, entertainment, and smartphone integration. The addition of customizable ambient lighting enhances the driving atmosphere, allowing for a personal touch that matches your mood. The performance of the Atto 3 is equally impressive. Powered by a robust electric motor delivering 201 horsepower, it offers smooth acceleration and a remarkable range of up to 310 miles on a single charge. BYD's signature blade battery ensures superior safety, durability, and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for both city drives and long-distance adventures. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 7.3 seconds, the Atto 3 combines practicality with a thrilling driving experience. Affordability is a key highlight of the BYD Atto 3. With a starting price of $37,000, it offers exceptional value for money in the competitive EV market. Buyers can benefit from federal incentives and low operating costs, making it a smart financial decision. Its advanced technology, spacious interior, and impressive range solidify its position as a top contender among electric SUVs in its segment. Thank you for watching AutoSpeed Vibes, your trusted source for all things automotive. If the 2025 BYD Atto 3 has piqued your interest, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car reviews. Stay tuned, and see you in the next video.